Want to list your products in Google Merchant Center? First, go to merchants.google.com and sign in with the Google account linked to your store. Then click Products in the left-hand menu and select Feeds. Hit the plus button, choose your target country and language, pick an input method, then configure your feed by mapping required attributes like title, description, price, availability, and image link. You'll establish the connection between your inventory and Google Shopping. If you'd rather automate multiple feeds or keep your listing in sync continuously, open the Feeds page, click the three dot menu next to your feed and choose Schedule Fetch or use the Content API for shopping. For Sheets, authorize access, select your spreadsheet, and set a daily fetch schedule. For the API, generate your developer key, integrate the Content API, and push real-time updates directly from your platform. This method is especially handy for large catalogs or frequent pricing changes. Keep in mind that your product data must comply with Google's policy. Include valid GTINs, accurate availability status, clear images, and correct shipping settings, or your items may be disapproved. Monitor the Diagnostics tab to catch and fix errors before they impact your visibility. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.